What's going on, everybody? Wilson here with the Cali Collective Project, and my buddy Ethan and I just recently closed 2 deals that equal $100,000. That's right. It was pretty amazing to take Ethan through it. The first time we've actually worked together in regards of like these bigger projects. I've known Ethan for a couple years, but reached out to me and he was like, hey man, I'm really having a hard time of how to price out these projects and present them to really close higher deals. And in that time, I already did a couple. And so we got together. I was willing to work with him on 2 of them. And in the last 2 weeks, we just closed them. So congrats to Ethan. So happy for him. If you're in the same boat trying to figure out how to price out your next project and present it for a higher close or a higher deal, we're running 2 webinars. One is going to be a free webinar on November 5th coming up. If you're interested, all we ask for is just send us your email. We'll send you the link when we're going live. We'll send you all that information. And then on November 28th, we're calling it Make Money Monday. And that is a paid webinar where we're going to teach you everything that we know from beginning to end, from the initial call to the closing call, and really just teach you everything that you need to know in order to close some big deals. Okay, my name is Wilson. We'll see you guys on the 6-figure side. Click on the link. It'll take you to the landing page. You'll read some more information, everything we got going on. Hope to see you there. Talk soon. Peace.
Yeah, I mean, it's just insane to like actually crush through that mental barrier of like, we're asking for someone's full-time salary for a single project.